First of all, we have to set the AWS credentials in Terraform variables file. You have to set the access key and the secret key and your region. For our example, the region is Ireland, US 1. Then you can check how the Terraform file is structured. Mainly if you have realized that there are resources that we create resources in order, and then if you need, for example, the IP, the elastic IP that you create previously for attached to a load balancer, you can make the reference to the variable. You don't have to know. Of course, it's impossible to know the value of the new elastic IP, for example. So all of the file have reference to the variables that contains the information of the resources just created. Well, we are ready to launch the stack. So first of all, with Terraform plan command, we can make a test without create any resources for have the planning of Terraform for create a stack. So you can check all of the resources that will be created, and you can change something if you realize that it's different that you had in mind. If everything is okay, we can move to the next step, that is create the stack with the command terraform apply. So we execute terraform apply for execute the plan, the terraform plan, and we wait, watching the log that all of the resources are being created. And right now all of the resources are already created according to the Terraform log. So we see the Minecraft 1 and Minecraft 2 servers just created and initializing in the AWS console, the security groups, the external inbound that we want to create, elastic IPs, load balancers, and so on. We can check that everything is okay. The VPC is created, the subnets. It's very reliable, the code and execution of Terraform in AWS. It's a very, very, very stable platform. So the root tables are okay. Well, I think everything is okay. So I think our Minecraft servers are ready, or no, it's initialing so far. It's in the status checks initialing, but in some seconds I think will be okay. We can check in the meantime the Terraform graph command that export in a with the command dot auxiliary command dot program exporting PNG a complete diagram of the resources created and its relationship. So it's a good way to have the architecture and infrastructure documented. And if you want the powerful and but you have to execute very careful command terraform destroy all of the stack as part of the immutable servers idea of all of that. So be very careful and execute this command, because this command destroys all of the resources created. One important thing is that the state of the resources created is stored in a file. So if there are a team working with this environment, you have to share in some way this file, because if you don't have the Terraform state file and is executed the Terraform plan by another member of the team, they try to create a new stack. So if there are three members in the team, 3 people in the team, you can have 3 stacks, 3 different stacks, and there will be a problem, of course. There will be a problem. So all of the resources are terminated in the console. We can check. That's all, folks. I hope you enjoy.